part 4 for the last part in this lab, enzyme exploit artifact. So in this part, we will examine some of the document that we are exported to the Wireshark. For part 4A, there's no step more. I think this is the last. In Security Onion, open the remodeling your kitchen cabinet file using your choice of text editor. This web page initiate the attack. Wow, okay. Initiate the attack. Oh yeah. Can you find the two places in the web page that are part of the drive-by attack that started the exploit? Hint: the first is in the head area and the second is the body area page. So what we would do is, what we can do, we close first all our those. Now we go to the home folder. What we need to do is remodeling. Where is remodeling? Here. We need to initiate this HTML. We're going to run this HTML. Okay. What we need to do is we going to view page. Maybe we go to page source. Now, can you find the two places in the web page that are part of drive attack? Okay, so we're going to find the EK. First in the head and second in the body. So this is the head. So we can find the attack. Okay, see. So if we can find the attack here, so we search. Okay. Yeah. There you go. This JavaScript. So we capture this one. This is suspicious script here. I think we can take it from here, starting from the top of head section. So we can take from here. You can see text JavaScript, documents, through document location. Okay, let's generate some script. Looks like it's not a page script. Okay, so but the body, I think the body is maybe somewhere here. Support in body. So I think we can use the Control F. Oh, sorry, the Control F. We find it by new dot. Okay, so we found that there are requests for TYU. Okay. Capture here, and the other one is read through. Yeah, I think this one is wrong host that was requested. It is on. This one is on head, and the other one is tyu.venue. It is on. Yeah, it is on another part of body. Yeah, here we go. So we found that. Okay, open the dle.js dle_js file in choice of text editor. So you can close here, this one. So we open this one with edits. Okay, let's open it edit. Oh, okay. So what does the file do? This one you can see here. This is the document right. Was the request. I think this is the request. Okay. This is the file was trying to request for the server host server. Okay. So this is JavaScript. Yes, this is JavaScript. Creating the iframe. Yeah. To target the server tyuvenue.com. How does the code in the JavaScript file attempt to void detection? Okay, so we can find here. Oh yes, it use this. It will multiple. I think use multiple iframe. Can escape from the text from the text. I mean from the detection. Create the iframe file. Iframe. Yeah, into piece. Yeah, it's multiple iframe. In a text editor, open the text HTML file that was saved your file home folder Vivaldi as part of the file name. Examine the file and answer this question. What is the file? Okay, in the text editor, open the text file. Okay, what? So we're going to open file. Open others. So we're going to open HTML. Which one is HTML? So I choose this one, Vivaldi. No, we follow the step. Vivaldi as part. Okay, now we just open the Vivaldi. What kind of file is this? It's gonna ask something quite tricky, but it's direct question. It is a HTML file. It's a web page. Yes. What are some interesting about iframe? Does it calling anything? Find iframe. Find the iframe. Okay, so Windows set timeout start. There are something executed. It's something execute. Yes, start function. Yeah. Okay. It calls start. It call start. There's start function here. It calls to Windows set timeout. Okay, maybe I want to answer that that way. What does the start function? Um, Start function was to set window to timeout in 88 seconds maybe, and give the page become blank, and yeah, that's all I think. So what do you think the purpose of get browser function is? Get browser function. Get browser function. From here, navigate user agent. So it will generate for the file, which is I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm back. Never mind. So the get browser file, navigator for the user agent. Function determine type of browser, then get web page display in. Okay. So that's all for the part 4. You can answer what we have see. The reflection, we can type the reflection what we have learned. So we have learned lots of analyze the data that have been attacked. We can find the source, we can find the file, we can find the type of file that they have been used, what the attack, what the tools attack they have used to within the file to attack the host. Okay, and the user will be the host. Host will be simulate for the user to get user will be the victim to send the ransomware. So the second one is for the reflection. It is useful to tell story of exploit to understand what happened and how it's worked. Start with the user searching internet with Bing. Okay, yeah, it's very useful to tell everyone how the attack was happened. think that's all for our lab 2.27.2.15. It's a lot of informative. So I think that's all for this lab. If anything, we can discuss later. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.